Hey everybody, Nick here from Hounds Coffee Company. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a perfect cup of coffee using the Aeropress. There's tons of different ways to make coffee with an Aeropress, but here's my method. I'm already boiling our water into the stove, so it's a perfect time for us to grind our bean. You want to get 2 scoops of whole beans from medium to fine grind. Think table salt consistency. For this brew, I'm using our Good Boy, but you can get a perfect cup of coffee with our Sit and Stay or Alpha Blend or any of our coffees really. While that's cooling, let me introduce you to the Aeropress. We have 3 main compartments. We have the plunger, the brewing chamber, and our filter cap. First, you're gonna wanna take a filter and put it in our filter cap. Then go over to your sink. You're gonna wanna wet that filter, get rid of those papery flavors. Next, place your cap and put it onto your brewing chamber. Make sure it's snug. The Aeropress comes with this little funnel here. It's really great so that way you don't make a mess, like I do. Take your coffee and dump right in there. The next thing you're gonna do is take your water, we're gonna pour it right to that filter. Give it a little stir, and then we're gonna place our plunger, but don't press down yet. We're gonna wanna let this steep for 1.5 minutes. All right, after 1.5 minutes, remove your plunger a little bit, give it a nice little stir again. Now here's the best part, the plunging. You wanna give a nice, even pressure. You don't wanna go as slow as a French press, but you definitely don't wanna rush it. Once you hear that hiss, you know it's done. Go ahead and remove your device and enjoy. I love how easy that is. For Hounds Coffee, I'm Nick Villalone. See you next time.